Whether you're designing custom jewellery or making decorative pieces, the Magic L3 has numerous uses in the modern jewellery workshop. Cutting and engraving with the Magic L3 fibre laser marking and cutting machine is a quick and highly effective process. This step-by-step guide will show you the high-tech process of using this machine to make a beautiful layered pendant. First, prepare your chosen metal and remove the protective plastic. Place the metal onto the honeycomb table and use the inbuilt camera to view your working surface in the software. To easily add a cutout to the shape, use the design sample. Take time to carefully scale and position it before creating a cutting out toolpath. Once you are happy with your design, it's time to create a toolpath. The exact settings vary depending on the metal thickness, and your desired results. You can preview the cutout design on the metal shape before starting the cutting process. Take the time to check the position of the boundary line before pressing start. Take note of the countdown, which will let you know how long is needed to finish the cutting or engraving process. Repeat the same steps as before to cut out the inner part, again checking the positioning of the cutting line. For a layered pendant, cut out duplicates of your design. Carefully scale and position the design before creating a toolpath. For the toolpath here, we are using a hatching toolpath. The exact setting will vary depending on the metal and the desired engraving depth. The deep relief engraving will be perfect for filling in with enamel or resin. Shallow engraving is the perfect option for fine line details. Shallow engraving is the perfect option for fine line details. Now all pieces need a quick clean and polish before being assembled. With the Magic L3 laser engraver and cutting machine, engraving and cutting intricate and complex designs has never been quicker or easier. Click the link in the description to book your free demo today.